Hello students of class 8. Our study was going on about force and pressure. Today we shall know about non-contact forces. Non-contact forces are those forces which act from a distance. Means they do not, the objects which is applying the force and the object on which the force is applied, they are not in contact. They are at some distance, and from at a distance they can apply the force. This type of force is called non-contact force. So we can define it as the force exerted by an object without contacting the other object are non-contact force. Means when two objects are at a distance and they apply force on each other or one exert force on another, then it is called non-contact force. The examples are magnetic force, electrostatic force, and force of gravity. Let us see one by one. Magnetic force, as you know, this is a magnet, suppose north, south. These are two poles of magnet. Now if some magnetic material is brought about it, then this magnetic material attracted towards the pole or magnet from a distance. Iron or pin, if you put here, it will exert, it will attract it. This means this is a type of non-contact force. In the same way, if there are two magnets, as you know, like pole repel each other. If there is another magnet whose north pole is this side and south pole this side, these two repel each other. Like pole repel each other. If unlike poles are there, suppose here north, south, and there is another magnet whose south pole is this side and north pole is this side, then they will attract each other. So this is a repulsive force, here it is attractive force, and all these forces are exerted from some distance, no need to come in contact. In the same way, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means when a charged body is there, charged body exert force on an uncharged body or a charged body. As you know, like charge repel each other, unlike charge attract each other. So charged body may apply force or exert force on uncharged body or charged body. This type of force is called electrostatic force. So let us define electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Now we define electrostatic force: the force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. Here you pay your attention that on force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged, either another body may be charged or uncharged also. Just you already know, suppose we rub comb with our hair and try to pick up the piece of paper from a distance, it will take up. So this is electrostatic force, and this force is caused due to charge. When we rub the comb with our hair, it gets charged. The process how charge occurs on a body, this will be uh, taught in higher classes. Now see force of gravity. Uh, Objects fall towards the earth because it pulls them. This force is called the force of gravity. Here every object, whatever it is above the earth, if we will leave them, it will fall down. Why this falls down? Because earth attracts it towards towards itself. So force of gravity is attractive force. Electrostatic force is attractive as well as repulsive. Magnetic force attractive as well as repulsive. But force of gravity only attractive force. So these are the types of non-contact force. Now our study will be about pressure. So that is in our next class. Okay, thank you.